So Mount Toubkal, highest mountain in the north of Africa, 4,167 meters. There you are. Spectacular view from the top of the mountain, where you can see all the peaks of the Atlas.
You are the best,
¡Oh! We managed, lo hemos hecho, ¿eh? Lo hemos conseguido. Here we are, just loading the mule. Good, so we are starting our hike. So we still have 500 meters to ascend, which is keeping a very good pace. I thought it would be easier. I'm just arrived to the top of the pass. Here it is. Look at this. I have made it to the top of the pass. Now I'm waiting for the cook to prepare the lunch. Here we have our food, tagine and salad. Alright, so we start after lunch our way to the refuge. This is the last point where we are going to have network in the next 2 days. This is where we are going to sleep tonight. Now we are in the refuge. Good, so this is the end of the first day. We are just in the Refuge Tamsault. Tomorrow is the real challenging. Today it was like between 5 or 6 hours walking. It was not that difficult, 700 meters difference. Now we are sleeping at 2,200 meters. And tomorrow we will go up until 3,500 meters, which are the peaks that you can see behind me. I'm gonna have to use the crampons to go there. Unfortunately, today I didn't have a very good day. I don't know how, but I made some injury on my feet. So tomorrow I will have to start walking with sport shoes, and I will only change the boots when I have to use them in the snow and when I have to wear the crampons. So very, very challenging day tomorrow. I'm ready for it. Yes! Good morning. We are at the beginning of the second day. Here is where I have slept. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and it's still dark. And we are gonna start our ascent to the 3,500 meters pass. I didn't have a very good night, so I hope I can manage. Let's go. So we are starting to walk right now. It's completely dark, and well, we are gonna walk like half an hour, maybe 1 hour like this. We just arrived to the entry again to the park, and there is my guide, and we have to go up, 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 up. In total today we have to reach the pass of 3,500 meters. We are now at 2,200. We are just following the path that goes along this river that flows down to the refuge. We are approaching a very beautiful waterfall over the end, over there. Okay, so after this beautiful waterfall, we are now starting a very rocky area where we cannot stop. We have to go fast because there is danger that rocks fall into the path. So we should quickly go through this area. Good, we are now at 2,700 meters, getting close to the snow. There is another refuge over there. And look, all this path that we have done so far. Around 500 meters uphill, so not too bad. As we are approaching to the snow, we are seeing far away the Refuge Lipini, which is over there, just in the corner. But we are not gonna go that way. Instead, we are gonna follow the path over here, through that ridge over there. We are close to the 3,000 meters. The refuge is down there, quite far away. And Here we have surpassed the line of snow in this side, and we are heading towards this area here. 3,000 meters, 3,000 metros. And here is a camp that is used in the summer, so they plant some tents here. And now what we have to do is to go that path over there and climb to the top of the pass. So there are like 500 meters more to climb to be able to reach the top of the pass. And here the views are just fantastic. Look at this. So we are getting into the line of snow. There is no other choice, but I will have to step my feet over there on the snow, even if I'm not wearing the best shoes right now. So here, just to walk a little bit in the snow with the ground shoes. Okay, so right now we are at 3,350 meters. We are going up, zigzagging through this path, which is a nightmare. From time to time there is snow, so like this here, or this one here, and we still have to go around 300 meters more to the top. So we are now at 3,500 meters, and we are looking for the best path to go. So we don't know if this is going to be the best way forward o that one there. So, ¿cuál? ¿Este de aquí mejor entonces? ¿Por ahí mejor?
Mejor.
¿A cuántos metros llegamos ahí?
Cuidado, detrás hasta 3,650.
3,650. Muy bien. We are in a picnic at 3,550 meters, which is quite an achievement. And here, this is the ridge that we have to go. Later on, the refuge is on the other side, and we don't know if we are going to follow that path that is on the side, or if you are going to go and climb to the top and then go down. We just came this way. A very challenging day. I cannot tell you enough. Look at this. We are climbing with the piolet here, and we still have some more to get. I think we have to go to 3,700 meters, because the problem is that the path, the normal path, was too dangerous. Looks like we have found something. Down to the refuge, which is around 2 hours, 2 horas? 2 hours and a half, okay? Slowly, because I'm very slow. I have no experience with the snow and all the things that you need, crampons, piolet, so I'm kind of a slow pacer today. Good, so this is it. Very nice views, 360 of the whole Atlas Mountains. So there at the far end is where we had lunch, which is where we stopped. And actually this is the path that we should have taken. And you can see the path there. That goes all the way here. But because the path is too dangerous and you can fall here like several hundred meters, and last year somebody died, we have decided to go up to the mountain and climb the mountain to go down on the other way. So at the end we have done 3,650 meters. And now we go back to the refuge, which is still 2 hours away. We are going down very fast, and now we can see at the far end over there the Refuge Toubkal, where we are going to spend the night. So we are losing altitude really fast. So we are approaching the refuge is over there,
we have had to go through very dangerous places with lots of snow and just carving with the different tools in the snow to be able to put our feet. I think we are not far now. Good, so we are here in the Toubkal Refuge, end of day 2, and we are very tired after walking more than 8 hours actually, and we have made it to the refuge. We had to climb 1,400 meters to get here, so it was not an easy task, a very challenging day. Tomorrow we have to go to Toubkal, which is over there, if the weather permits, because it's getting very cloudy. Okay, it's 5 a.m. and we are ready to leave the Toubkal Refuge. This is the third day and we are aiming to get to the summit. So it's at least 900 meters up and 4 hours. Let's see if we can manage. I'm up to the challenge. Let's go. So we are climbing now. We are like 1 hour into the ascent. Very challenging actually. We have people in front, so we are here resting for a while. ¿Tenéis altímetro? ¿Alguno? ¿Cuánto estamos? ¿Cuánto?
3,710.
3,710.
Sí, el cuidado está a 3,850.
Okay.
Que voy a ver.
So we are at 3,710. So we are first now. We have advanced all the groups that are coming this way, and actually we have had to reduce the pace because otherwise we will be in the summit when it's still dark and it will be very cold. So we are here waiting for a while. We are more or less halfway now. So now we have to go slowly to wait until the sun rises. So we are in 3,870 meters and my guide just stopped over here to pray because he's Muslim, and there are some people here as well waiting, resting. So we are at 4,000 meters right now. We are having a rest here. Some people are still going up. And the plan is to do the last 200 meters. Hey! Yalla, yalla. A tope. Sí. So we are nearly there. But this last portion, it was really hard. I had to stop. I was very tired. So I hope that I can recover for the last part. Okay, we have just gone over 4,000. And this is wonderful. Look at this. Here some people going up. Mohamed, we are doing it.
Estamos a 4,000,
Pasados 4,000. And Toubkal is just here. You can see some people already on the top. So we are gonna make it. Okay, it's 7:45. And look at this. We are climbing here, and yes, we have made it. Toubkal, 4,100 meters. We have it over there. Last few meters. This is incredible, so hard, so much pain these last 3 days. But at the end, we are gonna make it. Okay, what can I say? I'm so tired. I'm really dead. The last 200 meters was a nightmare for me. I had to stop several times. I don't know why. Perhaps it was the altitude I was not properly acclimatized. But now look at this. Look at this, the mountain is just here. I've made it. The summit of Toubkal. Last steps are in there. Mount Jebel Toubkal. Look at this. That's it. On the summit, I have made. Yes.
Estamos.
Ya estamos. Lo hemos conseguido. Yeah. Oh, por fin. Wow. Wow, 3 days walking, and at the end, day number 3, we managed to get here. Mount Toubkal. Done it. So Mount Toubkal, highest mountain in the north of Africa, 4,167 meters. There you are. Spectacular view from the top of the mountain, where you can see all the peaks of the Atlas.
You are the best.
¡Oh! We managed, lo hemos hecho, ¿eh? Lo hemos conseguido. So let's have a look at Mount Toubkal in 360. Look at this beautiful sunrise over there. What else can you expect? Look, you can see the sun right now. So some people are still going up, and what is impressive is the shadow of the mountain over there. It's really wonderful, and here is the other peaks, and we are gonna go down slowly.